According to Cavmont Capital Bank, the Kwacha is expected to remain stable. Linda Mwenya, who's the senior dealer in the Treasury Department of the bank, is on the line to take us through the movements of the Kwacha. Linda, what have been some of the biggest factors that have been influencing the movement of the Kwacha in recent days?
In the recent days, the Kwacha has been characterized by a stable performing currency with minimal activity from the corporates and interbank players. If we look at the last week, the currency traded between 6.1 and 6.2 Kwacha per dollar level, and these are the levels that it traded for the most part of the week. Except yesterday, when we saw a break on the 6.2 psychological level. This happened in the early minutes of trading, and the Kwacha lost about 40 pips, having opened at 6.180 on offer. Before the end of the trading day, though, the Kwacha had clawed back some of its losses to close at 6.205 per dollar on offer.
Linda, it's David with Tumi in Johannesburg. What is the central bank's view on such things? Do they intervene quickly? How do they intervene?
The central bank's view is not to be on the market as regular or often as possible. They only try to intervene when it's possible or when they are required to. At the moment, the Bank of Zambia intervention is limited and minimal, and the market only operates on supply and demand basis. So there's minimal intervention from the Bank of Zambia.
Linda, can you perhaps maybe give us some insight as to what you expect from the Kwacha's performance in the short term?
In the short term, I expect the Kwacha to remain stable to bullish, especially if the major participants in this period offload dollars into the market. What happens at this period is that we had mid-month obligations, and the major suppliers of Forex on the market are the mines. So once the mines come in big time to sell on the market, to sell the dollars, then we are assured of a strong and stable Kwacha in the short term.
Thank you so much, Linda, for making the time to join us. That was Linda Mwenya, who's the senior dealer